Alice Augusta Ball was a pioneering African-American chemist whose work in the early 20th century revolutionized the treatment of leprosy. Despite facing significant challenges due to her race and gender, Ball's scientific contributions have left a lasting impact on the field of medicine. Her story is one of brilliance, perseverance, and the pursuit of knowledge, making her one of the most remarkable yet unsung heroes in the history of science. Alice Augusta Ball was born on July 24, 1892 in Seattle, Washington, a city that was rapidly growing and changing during that time. She was not born into slavery, nor were her parents slaves, which was a significant aspect of her family's history. By the time of Alice's birth, slavery had been abolished in the United States for nearly 3 decades, following the end of the Civil War in 1865, marking a new era for African Americans. Her family was part of the emerging African American middle class, well-educated and supportive of Alice's aspirations and dreams. Alice's father, James Presley Ball Jr., was a prominent lawyer and newspaper editor, known for his dedication to justice and community, and her grandfather, James Presley Ball Sr., was a well-known photographer who documented African American life in the 19th century, capturing important moments in history. Her mother, Laura Louise Ball, was a successful photographer as well, contributing to the family's artistic legacy, and both of her parents were influential in instilling a sense of intellectual curiosity and determination in Alice and her siblings, encouraging them to pursue their passions. Alice Ball's academic journey was marked by excellence and determination from an early age. She attended Seattle High School, where she demonstrated a keen interest in science, particularly chemistry, which would become her lifelong passion. After graduating with honors, Ball pursued higher education at the University of Washington, a prestigious institution known for its rigorous academic programs. She earned a bachelor's degree in pharmaceutical chemistry in 1912, followed by a second degree in pharmacy in 1914, showcasing her dedication to her field. During her time at the University of Washington, Ball's research potential became evident through her innovative work. She co-authored a paper on the chemical properties of the active ingredients in common herbs, showcasing her ability to conduct rigorous and impactful scientific research at a young age. Eager to advance her studies and make a significant impact, Ball moved to Hawaii to pursue a master's degree in chemistry at the University of Hawaii. Her thesis focused on the chemical properties of the kava plant, a project that would lay the essential groundwork for her future groundbreaking contributions to medical science. While working on her master's degree, Alice Ball was invited by Dr. Harry T. Hallman, a U.S. Public Health Service doctor working in Hawaii, to assist in finding a more effective treatment for leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease. This was a significant opportunity for Ball, showcasing her potential in the scientific community. At the time, chalmugra oil was the primary treatment, but it was only marginally effective and difficult for patients to tolerate due to its thick, viscous nature. The need for a better solution was urgent. Ball took on the challenge of improving the administration of chalmugra oil, dedicating countless hours in the lab. She discovered a method to isolate the active ingredients of the oil and create an injectable form that could be absorbed more easily by the body. This was a major breakthrough in medical science. This process, known as the Ball method, significantly improved the treatment of leprosy, offering hope to thousands of patients who had previously faced lifelong isolation and suffering. Her innovation changed many lives. Alice Ball's method was groundbreaking and revolutionary. It became the standard treatment for leprosy until the 1940s when sulfone drugs were introduced, marking a new era in medical treatment. Her work directly contributed to the eventual control and near eradication of the disease in many parts of the world, leaving a lasting legacy in the field of medicine. Sadly, Alice Ball's life was cut short before she could fully realize the impact of her work. She died on December 31, 1916, at the young age of 24, reportedly due to complications from inhaling chlorine gas during a laboratory accident, though some sources suggest it may have been tuberculosis. Her untimely death meant that she did not receive the recognition she deserved during her lifetime. For many years, Ball's contributions were largely forgotten, and credit for the Ball method was mistakenly given to others. However, in recent decades, efforts have been made to restore her rightful place in history. In 2000, the University of Hawaii honored her by dedicating a plaque on the campus and declaring February 29th, Leap Day, as Alice Ball Day. Alice Ball's legacy is one of quiet brilliance and determination. Her work in developing a treatment for leprosy has had a lasting impact on public health, and her story serves as an inspiration to future generations of scientists, especially women and people of color who continue to face barriers in the scientific community. Though her life was tragically short, Alice Ball's contributions to science and humanity are enduring, and she is rightfully remembered as a pioneer who changed the course of medical history.